So we're here in False Creek, Vancouver, Canada. And this is the David Lamb dock where you can pick up an aquabus and travel out to Hornby, Granville Island, Stamps Landing, Spyglass Place, Yaletown, Plaza Nations, the village. Those are the fees. It's a good way to get around Cole Harbour, False Creek here. So we're at number 3 right here. Granville Island is where they have a lot of industry. They're industrial and they have restaurants there and a big market. Not sure about the situation now with COVID, obviously. They have a Black Friday sale. It's Cyber Monday today, 2020. This is the view of False Creek. That little boat over there. That's called the Aquabus. This is one of the docks. We'll go for a walk. We parked the Sprinter on Drake Street. Took a walk around here. See the black clouds above, and there's blue skies behind it. We'll see if we get poured on or not. Those heavy rains all the way from Squamish out to here. A bit windy. And this is the view. This is what you can expect to see in Vancouver. A beautiful city. One of the nicest places in Canada, actually, in my opinion. I've lived in Toronto. We've been across to Canada, all across from Victoria, all the way to PEI. And this, in my opinion, is one of the best cities to live in. It has mountains, the rivers, the sea. Lots of trees, and if you go up north, there's lots and really thick forest. And out here, we've got about 500,000 population in Vancouver. And of course, we have to wear masks while we walk around here because the COVID situation is getting worse. There's G. Hi, G. The yellow masks actually fit the best instead of the blue ones. I have rideshare here. You can see very similar to the Ecobici is in Mexico City. When I was there, I used the biking system there a lot. Here we haven't tried it, so we have our own bikes. And we'll go for a walk along this area here all the way across, and I'll show you that as we walk across. We're just walking along the seawall by False Creek, just to give you a view. You can fast forward through this. This is more of a view for you to see what Vancouver's like, a little part of Vancouver. So the moon circles the earth and the ocean responds with the rhythm of the tides. Just starting to rain. Blue sky over there, but clouds are above us. This is a Monday morning. There's hardly any people around here. Some of the nice condos here in Vancouver. Definitely not cheap, especially with the view to the water. Yeah. That's the Equibus, very colorful, nice to watch. Black clouds up ahead. See? There's blue sky behind it. This is called the Quayside Marina here in Falls Creek. That's nice. Look at the black sky.
Big event.
The homes backing onto the Falls Creek area. This is another Equibus dock. It's at the end of Davie Street. You can see the sign. You're not expecting to be hit by a cyclist today. It's quite preventable, so stay on this side of the road. And over here, you're not expecting to hit a pedestrian today, so stay on this side. Then we're going to head over to the Urban Fair right next to the Starbucks ahead of us and find some lunch. It's over by Marina Side and Davie. So this concludes our walking tour of the Falls Creek Boardwalk. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.